What's up, fellow Cremains? Here's how you can get the One-Handed Weapons of the World Volume 3 crafting book in Crimson Desert. To get this crafting book, make sure to have some keys and a mask ready, which you can buy from the back alley shop. You can find the recipe book to the very north of the Crimson Desert region, inside the territory of Varnia. Zoom in and it's at the end of this path right here on my X mark. Make your way there and you'll find this door on where we put the waypoint. Use your key to open it, make your way up the stairs, turn left, and move past this fountain towards the dining hall, and unlock the next door at the end of the room. Get inside and climb the stairs, and on the first bookshelf, look for the crafting book. When you find it, equip your mask and steal it. Then wait for the heat to go down before you leave the area. Don't forget to read the book to learn the recipes, and visit any smithy to check the newly added craftable weapons. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.